Hey guys, Brent here, BJ Motor Co. Just doing a video. Dad just got back with his new C7 Corvette, or new to him I should say. It's a 27,000 miles, the Z51 package. I never drove a C7, so I'm actually on my way to his house right now. Just wanted to do a quick video of my first reaction to it. We went for a ride earlier, did a quick pull up to 80-90 miles per hour. So the car sounds amazing, pulls good. You know, we have the other C6 with a few things done to it, but the C7 they just did an awesome job on it. And the one thing that was cool was the PDR. I think GM did an awesome job. I mean, that's awesome to have that option and be able to just take it out and utilize it and have fun with the car. Most people, I feel like, yeah, you romp on it a time or two, but a lot of people don't take them to the track. They never get used really to their capacity. And with the PDR, I mean, it's a cool option where you can go out, have fun, go on a country road, 0 to 60, 0 to 80, whatever, and just have fun with the car, use it for what it's made for, and enjoy it. Yeah, just wanted to do a quick video. I'll do a walk around the outside once we get there. But sharp car. He just drove it back from Tucson, Arizona. So yeah, I think he just put like 1,600 miles to get it back here to Indiana. But yeah, awesome car. I shall return. A few quick things that I have noticed in the short drive of this car that I really like. One being the spoiler there. That's pretty cool how it's clear to where you can see right through it, and it don't block the view back there. Second being, let me get through this circle here, is I have it on track mode or sport mode with the exhaust open, I guess. Is the car just sounds great stock. Handles great. Gotta love the heads-up display. It's got the G meter in it and everything. It's a well thought out car, but just a few things that I noticed, and being in the car for 5 minutes. Very cool options. The car fits you really well. These seats are awesome to where you feel like you're one in the car. I mean, it feels like the car is part of you, and I can see where this thing would just be a blast on a road course or track. All right, here's the outside view of the 15 Stingray. It's a Z51 package. Has the bottom carbon fiber ground effects. Carbon fiber on the roof there, and also the rear wing. Clear tail lights. This thing sounds great stock. Painted calipers with the Corvette on them. Really like the looks of the ground effects. Just makes the car look a lot wider for the Stingray version. Here's a little better shot of it all together. You can see they did the carbon fiber wing on the back, then you got the carbon fiber roof, and he's gonna do factory carbon fiber just right there. So it all kind of flows together well. But that's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.